so this is how you can delete extracted sounds on a Capcut. Let's get started. If you are brand new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, of course, when you have your clip selected at the bottom, you can click on it to obviously make more effects appear. But the point is that you can click on the extract audio button like that, and the waveforms, like the sound, will be separated from the clip, and you can then select the clip below and tap on the trash can icon to make it disappear, right? So you at first extract the sound and then you remove it, right? So the video is now mute and there is literally no sound even if you bump up the volume. So that would be one approach. Outside of that, you can also go to the add audio section. When you click on sounds and go to the folder, you'll be able to see the history of the extracted sounds, so you can basically just swipe left on those entries right here and also delete it from the history of the extracted sounds. So these are the two approaches. Let me know in the comments below if we managed to do what you needed. If not, and if there is something very specific you have in mind, share that below with me. It's possible I make a video about that because I publish so many tutorials. I just try to help you out as much as I can. So let me know about that. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.